Right, so here we are today, and we're going to unveil the casts from our last casting session, our last concrete pour, with the nice concrete mix at the right consistency. So these casts came out pretty well. A few bug holes in the Easter Island head here, but nothing to be alarmed about. So we'll fill in the bug holes when they're ready, after they've fully cured in the plastic bags. So you can see there a nice smooth finish with our nice concrete mix from the last video. So the skull came out near on perfect, a few bug holes underneath, and again they can be sorted out quite easily with a cement mix after they're cured. So we'll paint some of these concrete statues and pieces in the winter months here in the UK. So there's the fossil, that came out pretty perfect really. Can't grumble about that. Just need to tidy off the base there, so we're doing that with a trowel and just taking away the seam mark. And like I say, we'll cover these up until they are cured to a good hardness, and then we can unwrap them again and do with whatever we want to do with them. So there's our pieces, and we'll moisten these. Same again as always, and put them in plastic bags, or you can put them in anything you like as long as you can keep them moist. Sometimes you want to check them every day or every other day to make sure they are still moist. And there we are, along with our other casts that we did this month also. So there we are. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon, and over and out for now.